Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on user types. We'll review each kind of user in Connecteam and their differences. To begin, you can find all the users in your account right here. Connecteam has 3 user types. First, we have the user. These are your employees. They use the app to clock in, check their schedule, fill out forms, and more. Next, we have admins and owners. They can also be found under the Admin tab. An admin's role in your organization could be frontline managers, schedule dispatchers, HR managers, and more, marked by a star icon. These are users who need to view, edit, or create features, and have special permissions to do so. Their admin permissions are highly customizable, and you define exactly what features and capabilities they have access to. Finally, we have the owner. By default, they are the account's owner, marked by a crown icon. They have access to every feature and capability on the platform. So there you have it, the different user types on Connecteam, each playing a crucial role in your company. Thanks for watching.